Welcome back, fellas, to this new video tech express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Canva Photo Editor, one of the greatest tools here to edit here into Canva. So the key to get started in here is to upload your photo into Canva. So I'm going to focus here into Canva. I'm going to go directly into the option of the left section that says create. And to create, I'm going to focus for the left section that says upload. And here I'm going to upload my own image so I can be editing it. So I'm going to select one specific image that I would like to edit. Let's say, for example, this one with artificial intelligence right here. So what I'm going to be doing here is to whether use this into a new design or to edit this image right away. I'm going to edit the image right away because we don't want to change a lot of stuff. We don't want to rearrange elements. We don't want to add text variation. We wanted just to adjust the image as it is right now. Once we are in here directly into this element, what we need to do is to have the editing toast. Now that you are into the photos of the canvas, use the basic editing of the tools. For example, I'm going to focus for the filters. Filters for manual control. If you want to change the mood of your photo, and simply click into the filters and scroll to the different presets. You can choose your filter and adjust its intensity with the slider. Or if you want to do this manual for the manual control, into the upper side I'm going to choose the option that says adjust. Here you can find the tone of sliders for things like the brightness, the temperature, the tint, the light. And even what I can do is to select the color edit of in a specific color that I'm actually seeing in here. And we have here into the top section the crop element. The crop is in the top toolbar. This is essential for reframing your image and getting the perfect angle. For example, let's say that this aspect radius should be for an Instagram post. So this is how it actually could be 4 or 5, I believe, something like that. So I wanted to focus for this specific side of my image, and there we go. I hit back, and you can always hold the compare section to compare how it actually looks. Now we can use the new magic AI tools to make this much more interesting. So for example, we have the background remover. This is a game changer because with your photo selected, simply just click into the option that says background remover if you have people around in here. It might be helping you to remove the background. In my case, I believe that the background is, for example, the sky that looks here into the background. Or I can just go directly here into the brush, my size, show my original image. And here what I can do is to erase or restore the things that I don't want to see anymore. For example, if this one actually didn't work, I go for restore all of this and I just delete this specific part. You can try to be creative in this section. In my case, I think this one actually works for me. I'm going to show you now the magic eraser. For example, if there's elements that you don't want to see, choose the option that says magic eraser and simply just brush the size or click in here, and you can just select the things that you don't want to see. Automatically the application will try to find what are the elements inside your design, inside your image, or you can just simply try to brush them. For example, this specific cloud, I just select it and hit the option that says erased, and just like that it's gonna be filled with only blue sky, and well, it actually works. Something else, for example, is the magic edit. This allows you to change an object into your photo with a text prompt. So if I go here into the Magic Studio, I select the magic edit. And here, for example, I brushed this specific element and you describe what you edit. So describe what you wanted to add or you wanted to change. For example, let's say a beautiful cloud. And I hit for the option that says generate. Based into the content that you have just created, based into the image, it's going to be generating you a few variations and you choose which one is most accurate for your image. Sometimes it doesn't really work, sometimes it doesn't do like so much, but in my case I think that this is like not so much realistic, so I'm going to just stick around like this. So, and something else, lastly, what you wanted to do is now to download all this and share, not by first adjusting here just a little bit more my image. I'm going to try to change a little bit the highlights, the colors. Here's my shadows, the whites, and there we go. So if you wanted to see the changes of how we have done so far, we can always click in here into this element that says compare, so you can see how it was before and how it is now. Once you finish with this process, I'm going to focus here for the option that says save and go for download. So my image should be saved inside Canva and downloaded as well into my computer. And I go here for downloads, I hit for save, and my image should be saved so far, and we are actually good to go. So guys, this is how we can actually use this great editor of Canva. Just in case you have any questions, you can let us know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. And well guys, hopefully we can all see you next time.